Explore New Jersey Institute of Technology. Welcome to NJIT, a leading public research university established in 1881, home to over 11,500 students. NJIT Rankings. U.S. News Best National Universities, number 83. Top Public Schools, number 43. Best Undergraduate Engineering Programs, number 90. Annual tuition fees. Graduate programs, $35,262. Undergraduate programs, $35,934. Admission requirements. Graduate, GPA 3.0, TOEFL 79, IELTS 6.5. Undergraduate, GPA 3.0, TOEFL 79, SAT 1285. Campus life at NJIT. NJIT offers a dynamic student life with numerous organizations and a commitment to sustainability, all located in the heart of Newark.